Are you looking for the best HVAC tool bags? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose HVAC tool bags with different prices, benefits and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right HVAC tool bags. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Husky HVAC Tool Bag. As an experienced HVAC technician, I can vouch for the fact that compactness matters a lot in our line of work. In that sense, this Husky tool bag comes with features such as its dual zipper compartment that has the capability to store tools of many sizes, which is a very convenient attribute you can't see in other tool bags. Finally, it also comes with 3 external pockets, which let me keep my tools categorized separately for easy access and simple visibility. In terms of durability, this tool bag was made of a 600 denier water-resistant material that secured its reliability even in tough conditions like rain and snow. This meant that, during the testing period, I didn't have to worry about going to work on those extra gloomy days where chances of rain were high. Now, as to its comfort features, this tool bag proved to be a highly portable model, very easy to carry around, thanks to its portable design and lightweight materials. Number 2. Vito Pro Pack. Shaped quite similar to a school backpack, this lightweight Vito Pro Pack MC tool bag offers many handy features. First, it comes with 20 vertical pockets both on the interior and exterior, where I could safely store a broad range of my tools without worrying about them falling. As part of the tool bag's design, the engineers at Vito incorporated a big compartment to store and protect bigger tools, such as cordless drivers and the sorts. For a product that's so affordable, this Vito Pro Pack MC tool bag certainly outshines many of its competitors in terms of durability. For instance, it's made of a 3mm injection molded waterproof polypropylene at the base and PVC impregnated denier nylon for the rest of the body, making it certainly one of the sturdiest HVAC tool bags I've ever tested. Finally, it has 2 large and 5 small-sized D-rings, which were to blame for making the tool bag amazingly comfortable to carry around everywhere I would need to take the tools to. Number 3. CLC Custom Leathercraft. It seems the guys at Leathercraft knew what they were doing when they designed this tool bag. Measuring only 18 inches in length, it's definitely one of the most portable tool bags an HVAC technician could carry nowadays. During the testing period, its padded shoulder straps made carrying the tool bag much easier than many others I've personally tested in all my years as an HVAC technician. Offering a total of 50 pockets, this nifty little tool bag should be of high value for the regular HVAC technician, which not only let me store small but also sizable tools, such as a corded drill and other vital spare parts, making things a lot easier compared to other tool bags. Moreover, this tool bag has a heavy-duty poly fabric and equally robust double-zippered top closures that efficiently stored and protected all my tools, no matter how many of them were stored in the bag. Also, thanks to its poly-ballistic trim and binding, the bag was resistant to external elements that could damage either the bag or the tools being carried. Number 4. Carhartt Legacy Tool Bag. This Carhartt Legacy Tool Bag isn't only convenient, but also looks good and is extremely durable. It was made of a carefully molded, load-bearing, and abrasion-resistant material that let it carry a good amount of weight without breaking. In fact, I can tell you without reservations that all the tools an HVAC technician needs can be properly stored and organized very easily in this Carhartt bag. But, in my opinion, the coolest feature was undoubtedly the tool bag's water-resistant capabilities made possible with its synthetic fabric. This material was treated with the so-called Carhartt Rain Defender water repellent that proved to be of use for keeping the tool safe when the tool bag got in contact with the rain. To top things off, the tool bag only weighed 5 pounds, which made it crazy light. Number 5. Vito Pro Pack Model XL. To begin with, this tool bag was made using a superior weatherproof fabric that kept my tools safe from getting ruined by coming in contact with water. This feature makes this tool bag perfect for HVAC technicians that might occasionally have to walk with their tool bags outside on a rainy day. Additionally, the bag has heavy-duty zippers that stop tools from falling off, which is a great add-on to prevent expensive tools from getting ruined. For those HVAC technicians looking for convenience in their everyday life, this Vito Pro Pack Model XL tool bag fits the bill. Not only did it hold dozens of my tools during the testing period, but it also came with 61 vertical and 6 zipper pockets, that let me organize and isolate all these tools in a way that kept them safe and accessible. Apart from that, this Vito bag has an innovative ergonomic design that consists of non-slip padded shoulder straps and over-molded grips that makes carrying around this tool bag to various locations on the same day, which is very common for most HVAC technicians out there, something manageable.
So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.